Hello friends, welcome to EduSign Law, the best platform for the studies of law. If you want to attend our live session, you can contact in the number given in the description. Now in this class, we are going to discuss about the contract questions in WBGS Prelims Exam 2019. The first question is, to convert a proposal into a promise, the acceptance must be qualified, unqualified, general, and option D, absolute and unqualified. Now, if you look at section 7 of Contract Act, you will see the acceptance must be unqualified and absolute. So option D will be the correct answer, absolute and unqualified. Right, absolute and unqualified, section 7 of Indian Contract Act. Next question is, substitution of new contract for an existing contract between the same parties is which one? So in alteration, the same contract remains, but some alteration takes place, some changes takes place in the contract. So this is not alteration. Rescission is the contract comes to an end, right? It will be novation, because in novation the existing contract ends. Existing contracts comes to an end, and in its place a new contract comes into existence. A new contract comes into existence, right? So the correct answer will be option D, novation. D, novation. Next question is, where both the parties to an agreement are under mistake as to the matter of fact which is essential to the agreement. The agreement is valid, void, voidable, illegal. Now if you look at section 20, right, with relation to mistake of fact, when both the parties are in mistake of fact which is essential to the contract, the contract becomes void, right? So the correct answer will be option B, void, right? Next question is, A without B's authority lets out B's flat to C. Afterwards, B accepts rent of the flat from C. It is an agency by which of the following? Holding out, ratification, necessity, estoppel. So the correct answer will be B, ratification. And this can be found under section 197 of Contract Act. Okay, next question is, the delivery of goods by one person to another for some specific purpose and time is known as, right? You all know this will be bailment, right? Bailment means delivery of goods for specific purpose for specific time. Pledge is delivery for security, delivery of goods for security, whereas mortgage is delivery of immovable property for security. Right, यहाँ पे movable goods, but in both these cases these are security. So correct answer will be B, that is bailment. Next question is, the delivery of goods by one person to another as security for the payment of debt is called, जैसे कि मैंने अभी explain किया कि it will be pledge, right? Because bailment में कोई specific purpose के लिए किया जाता है, mortgage में immovable property के लिए होता है, right? So the correct answer will be option C, that is pledge. Next question. A promised to paint a picture for B on a certain day at certain price. Later on, A dies before that date. The contract. Now here we have to see कि क्या उसको उस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को एनफोर्स किया जा सकता है, मतलब क्या ए के जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है उस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को एनफोर्स कर सकता है या फिर क्या बी एनफोर्स कर सकता है. नाउ बिकॉज दिस इज अ पर्सनल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, दिस इज अ पर्सनल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, क्योंकि जो पेंटिंग के लिए जो एक्सपर्टीज की जरूरत है, ठीक है, वो ए के पास है. ठीक है, जरूरी नहीं है कि ए के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव के पास वो पर्सनल expertise hai. So this is personal contract, and in case of personal contract, for by death the contract becomes void. The contract becomes void, right? So now the contract cannot be enforced. The contract cannot be enforced either by A's representative or by, that is the correct answer, because now the contract has become void due to death. Next question. The principle that no one shall be allowed to enrich himself at the expense of another is known as, this is called unjust enrichment theory, right? So the correct answer will be none of the above, D. A contract of insurance is which of the following, right? This is wagering, this is not wagering contract. This is a contingent contract, because under a contingent contract, it depends on an uncertain event and it has a insurable interest. Uncertain event. Wagering agreement is void. A wagering agreement is void, but the contract of insurance is perfectly valid. So the answer will be A, contingent contract. Last question. If time is the essence of contract and there is failure to perform the contract by the specified time, the contract will become, right? Now, if you look at section 55, two condition has been mentioned in section 55, where the time is the essence and where time is not the essence. Where time is essence and time is not essence. अगर टाइम एसेंस नहीं है तो फिर अगर टाइम क्रॉस कर जाता है तो देयर विल बी नो इफेक्ट, the contract remains valid. But if the time is of essence, then their problem comes, and now if the contract does not directly becomes void, now it becomes voidable at the option of the promisee. अब promisee के पास ये ऑप्शन रहेगा कि वो उसको रेटिफाई करेगा, कि उसको रेसिशन करेगा, कि क्या करेगा, ये promisee के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. ठीक है, so now it becomes voidable at the option of the promisee, and this is found in section 55.